お父さんの持っていた銀色の笛は、その音色を聞くと、寂しい荒海にすさぶ嵐のように、なんとなく一りぼっちの感じを起こさせたり、またあるときは、反対に心を引き立てて、望みと喜びを持たせることもありました。お父さん
father
の
of possessive particle
持っていた
had
銀色
silver
の
of descriptive particle
笛
flute
は
topic marker
その
that
音色
tone
を
object marker
聞く
hear
と
when. So the whole thing means the silver flute that my father had when I heard its tone.
寂しい
Lonely
あら
rough
海
sea
に
in
すさぶ
raging
嵐
storm
の
of
ように
like. So altogether it translates to like a lonely storm raging in the rough sea.
なんとなく
Somehow
一りぼっち
lonely
の
of
感じ
feeling
を
object marker
起こさせたり
made one feel
また
again also
ある
some
時
time
は
topic marker. The whole phrase translates to somehow made one feel lonely and at other times.
反対に
On the contrary
心
heart
を
particle indicating the direct object of a verb
引き立てて
uplifted. The whole thing translates to on the contrary it uplifted the heart.
望み
Hope
と
and
喜び
joy
を
object marker
持たせる
to instill
こと
thing
も
also
ありました。
there were. So altogether it means there were also times when it instilled hope and joy.
そして、この笛の音が届くところ、魚たちがその音を慕って寄ってくるので、思わぬ大漁がありました。全く不思議な笛じゃないか。何にしてもありがたいことだ。そして、
and
この
this
笛
flute
の
of
ね
sound
が
subject marker
届く
reaches
ところ
place. So the whole thing means and where the sound of this flute reaches.
魚たちが
The fish plural plus subject marker
その
that
音を
sound plus object marker
慕って
attracted by
寄ってくるので
gather around plus because
思わぬ
unexpected
大漁が
big catch plus subject marker
ありました。
there was. The whole phrase means the fish attracted by the sound gathered around resulting in an unexpected big catch.
全く
Completely
不思議
mysterious
な
particle indicating emphasis or admiration.
笛
Flute
じゃないか。
isn't it? So altogether it means isn't it a completely mysterious flute?
何にしても
In any case
ありがたい
grateful
こと
thing
だ。
is. The whole phrase translates to in any case it is something to be grateful for.
漁に出た人々は、ナミコのお父さんの銀色の笛を手に取って不思議そうに眺めるのでした。この笛もやはり、おじいさんの頃から伝わっていましたので、これにも先祖の魂がこもっていると、お父さんは信じていました。漁
Fishing
に
to indicates direction.
出た
Went out.
人々
People
は
topic marker.
ナミコ
Namiko a name.
の
Possessive particle.
お父さん
Father
の
possessive particle.
銀色
Silver
の
possessive particle.
笛
Flute
を
object marker.
手に取って
Took in their hands. So the whole thing means the people who went out to fish took Namiko's father's silver flute in their hands.
不思議そうに
Curiously
眺める
look at
のでした。
it was. So altogether it means they looked at it curiously.
この
This
笛
flute
も
also
やはり
as expected too
おじいさん
grandfather
の
of possessive particle
頃
time period
から
from since
伝わっていました。
had been passed down
ので
because so altogether it translates to This flute, too, had been passed down since my grandfather's time, so.
これ
This.
に
In.
も
Also.
先祖
Ancestors.
の
Of.
魂
Spirits.
が
Subject marker.
こもっている
Are contained.
と
Quotation particle. The whole phrase means, in this too, the spirits of the ancestors are contained.
お父さん
Father.
は
Topic marker.
信じて
Believed.
いました
Was past tense auxiliary verb. The whole phrase translates to, Father believed.
ナミコはお父さんが心を込めてこの笛を吹いた日のことを覚えています。その日、海の上には黒い雲がはびこり、いかにも北の国らしいものすごい景色でした。雲の間から稲光が漏れ、雷が鳴っていました。ナミコ
Namiko, a name.
は
Topic marker.
お父さん
Father.
が
Subject marker.
心
Heart.
を
Object marker.
込めて
Putting into. So altogether it means, Namiko with her father putting his heart into it.
この
This.
笛
Flute.
を
Object marker.
吹いた
Played, a wind instrument.
日
Day.
の
Of.
こと
Thing.
を
Object marker.
覚えています。
Remember. So the whole thing means, I remember the day when I played this flute.
その
That.
日
Day.
海
See.
の
Of.
上
Above.
に
On.
は
Topic marker.
黒い
Black.
雲
Clouds.
が
Subject marker.
はびこり
Spread. So altogether it translates to, that day, above the sea, black clouds spread.
いかにも
Indeed.
北
North.
の
Of.
国
Country.
らしい
Typical.
ものすごい
Incredibly impressive.
景色
Scenery.
でした。
Was. The whole phrase translates to, it was indeed an incredibly impressive scenery typical of the northern country.
雲
Cloud.
の
Of. Possessive particle.
間
Between.
から
From.
稲光
Lightning.
が
Subject marker.
漏れ
Leak.
雷
Thunder.
が
Subject marker.
なって
Rumbling.
いました。
Was polite past continuous. The whole thing translates to, lightning was leaking from between the clouds and thunder was rumbling.
こんな日にはハタハタが取れそうだとお父さんは言いました。そして久しぶりに大量にしてみんなを喜ばせたいと銀色の笛を持って行きました。お父さんが船の上で笛を吹くとたくさんの魚が波の上で踊りました。こんな
Like this.
日
Day.
に
On.
は
Topic marker.
ハタハタ
Hatahata, a type of fish.
が
Subject marker.
取れ
Catch.
そ
Seems like.
うだ
Is. The whole phrase translates to, on a day like this, it seems like we can catch hatahata, a type of fish.
と
End, with, as.
お父さん
Father.
は
Topic marker particle.
言いました。
Said. The whole thing translates to, and, the father said.
そして
And.
久しぶりに
After a long time.
大量にして
With a big catch.
みんなを
Everyone.
喜ばせたい
Want to make happy.
と
Quoting particle. So altogether it means, and wanting to make everyone happy with a big catch after a long time.
銀色
Silver color.
の
Of. Possessive particle.
笛
Whistle.
を
Object marker.
持って
To take, to hold.
行きました。
Went. Polite past form of to go. So altogether it translates to, I took the silver whistle with me.
お父さん
Father.
が
Subject marker.
船
Boat.
の
Of. Possessive particle.
上
On. Above.
で
At. In. On. Location particle.
笛
Flute.
を
Object marker.
吹く
To play, a wind instrument.
と
When, if.
たくさん
Many, a lot.
の
Of. Possessive particle.
魚
Fish.
が
Subject marker. The whole phrase means, When father played the flute on the boat, many fish,
波
waves,
の
of,
上
top,
で
at, on,
踊りました。
danced. So the whole thing means, danced on top of the waves.
Thanks for watching.